In this video, I will show how to make a Google slide presentation. So open Google Slide and delete this data. Now insert image, upload from computer. Now resize image, tap and select rounded. Click change the size. Now Control D to duplicate. Now click on this crop image and move, drag and drop from left to right. In similar way, do this multiple time. Control D. Crop image and move left to right. Now make the changes as you need. So select and crop. Now click on insert, then text box. Change the size, color and font. So this way you can create Google slide presentation. Thanks for watching.